everyone! Welcome to Lululand. First and foremost, I would just like to say thank you so much for new subscribers. Thank you for joining with us on this journey. Also thank you current subscribers. Thank you so much. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a simple and natural everyday makeup look. Pretty much what I do on an everyday basis. It is this look right here. If you'd like to see more on how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Before I do get started, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new here, because I know you'll not be watching this till the end. But come and join us and this community as we grow and beautify ourselves together. Okay, let's get started. I put SPF lip balm on my lips first, and then now we're gonna go in and fill in our eyebrows because they need some life. So what I usually use is eyebrow pencil. I find it super convenient. I carry this with me all the time. So I'm using the Etude House Drawing Eyebrow right here. It comes with a brush and also an angulared, what is it? It's angulared, so it helps drawing your brows better. What I like to do is start from the middle and then draw the ends first. And then fill in the middle parts. Draw an outline at the front. There we go. That's pretty much it. You guys, I'm serious. It looks better in person. I don't know why it's turning up like this on camera, but so that's that for eyebrows. Go to the other side. What also helps a lot is making sure that your eyebrows are in good shape. I'm gonna need to tweeze them. Just helps fill them out a lot easier. And what I also like to do is for these edges, at the beginning edges to not be so rough, is I like to bring it just a little bit down with my finger to blend it out. I kid you not, it looks weird on camera right now, but so this is how it looks like on my iPhone and versus the camera. I don't know why it's like that, but anyway, let's continue. Next, I go in with my concealer. This is my go-to concealer. It is the Maybelline Instant Age Reminder. Whoa. And I'm just gonna create a triangle right here. And sometimes I like to leave it on while I do my foundation just to settle it in. It's up to you. So now we're gonna go in with some foundation. I'm using the Kill Cover CLIO BB cushion, and I'm just gonna dab on my face like here, and then just blend it in. Blend it all in. So it's all coming together. Make sure you get the roots of your head. Don't want no weird outline. Voila. There we have it. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of shading. I use a small brush and this eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, and I shade my nose. Depends on how your nose is or your face structure. The best tip I've ever gotten about shading is just knowing how your face is like and what works best for your face. So that might take some trial and error. So what I found is that right here my nose is more prominent, so I like to start in the middle and then work my way up and shade and bring it down like so. Shade that, do the same thing, starting right here, shading down, bring it up. There we go. My nose is a little bit stout, so I just like to make the line straight down. I don't really do the thing here, like a little curve thing. If you want to, you can. And that's it for shading. If I want to shade my cheeks, I go in with the I go with the same eyeshadow and this angular brush thing and tap off the excess. See how there's like already a natural shade there? I just go in, puff it, and bring it down like so. Bringing it down here. Sometimes I create a 3 like that. but nothing too major, nothing too dramatic. Just want it very light, natural, very subtle. Here we go. Voila. Child, we cannot forget blush. First, let's do our eyes. Next is our eyes, and I'm going to be curling it first. Just holding it. Voila. And our lashes are curled. Now we're gonna go in and put some mascara on. I'm using the Kiss Me Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. I actually like the black and the yellow one better. This one is waterproof, but it doesn't, I don't know, something about the formula, it doesn't make my hair stick up longer compared to the other one, but it's alright. Now I know. Get the inner corners. Okay, starting from the roots and just wiggle out. Wiggle out, wiggle it out. Now just wait a few seconds and then recurl my lashes. This, if you have small, short lashes, you know the struggle. So I like using the Heroine, my go-to mascara. Bam! Makes your lashes super long. And there we go. Next up is blush. You cannot go out of the house without some blush. I'm using this City Color Be Matte Blush. I'm telling you, the color is beautiful. It's kind of like this blush pink color. So with my brush, I'm just gonna dab some and put it on, settle it on right where my cheekbones, right here in this area, like halfway through my cheeks. The apples are, I guess, and just slightly wave it out. You see that? Beautiful. Okay. Other side. There we go. After that, then we have to do our lips. Currently, I'm using this Cream to Shine Dry Rose shade from Aritaum. I just put it on like that. Very natural, very simple. Last but not least, I powder my face. And as you can see here, I have the Better Skin by Maybelline, but I used to use that, but usually these days, I'm using this product right here. It is Pond's Magic Powder, BB powder, I guess. I got this in Thailand, and this product is amazing, I tell you. This has UV protection, so I've been using this, and what this does is it mattifies your face and keeps it mattified all day long. I'm not even kidding. When I went to Thailand, it was so hot. My boyfriend, he was looking online for souvenirs, and a lot of people recommended this product. He suggested that I try it out, and I tried it out for one day when I was in, just for one day when I was in Thailand. And over there, I think it was about like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It was super hot. Put it on in the morning, and for the whole day, while we were outside walking, going to street markets, things like that, I came back and my face was still mattified. It was amazing. So I bought a bunch of these when I came back, and this is really cheap. It's about $1. Yeah, I want to say it's $1, probably less than $1, but it's super cheap. Great, worth it. It's a little bit like baby powder, and also the structure is kind of like baby powder. So I haven't figured out a way to properly apply it. So what I usually do is I just open it and then put it on my hands. Not the best idea. I think if I had like a brush, I could, you know, apply it on. So what I do is I just put it on here, and then I kind of like, you know, pick it up with my fingers, and I just pat and smooth it out on my face. Here it's blending in. You can't really see here, but it's definitely mattifying my face and keeping it all together. amazing. And that's that. So I definitely do recommend this. We're not done yet. The pretty much last bit of piece is just to set everything, spray it, make sure that it doesn't, you know, transfer. What I'm gonna use is the E.L.F. Makeup Mist and Set, and I've been using this for years. So I've just been e.l.f.ing it. Air it out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my simple and natural everyday look. These products are pretty much affordable and portable to carry around as well, which is why they're always my go-to products. It's basically just basics that you use, you know, mascara, lip balm, foundation, concealer, eyebrows. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in my next video. So, Congo's eyebrows are not here yet, but anyway, we'll get to that soon. I don't know why it's like acting up on the camera. My lumaba.